welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. In this video, I will be unboxing new shoes. Vivaia was kind enough to send me 2 of their shoes. If you've never heard of Vivaia, Vivaia is a footwear brand that is committed to sustainability, comfortable, and stylish shoes. They have many different styles, ranging from flats to boots to heels and more. The most crazy part is, their products are crafted from recycled plastic bottles. Starting with the first box, this is one of their best sellers. The square toe Mary Jane are also called Margot Mary Jane. And I can see why this is so popular. Just look how cute these shoes are. They have many ranges of colors and patterns you can choose from. I was debating between the black or the red because I love how the red pops. But at the end of the day, I ended up going with the color black because I knew I could match it with any styles, and this is usually the color I gravitate towards. They have their logo here with a V. And this is a size 5.5, which is a 35.5 in UK. And I do believe this is pretty true to size because most of my shoes I feel like I need a size up, but this one I did not. And Vivaia also has many different size options for wider feet, and on their site they recommend based on your feet size. Here you can see that based on what your feet looks like and the size of your feet, this is what they recommend to do. Let's go into the comfort of the shoes. When Vivaia designed their shoes, you can tell that they thought of every detail, especially when it comes to comfort. Take a look at the inside. The edge of the shoes has a heel padding, which is such a genius idea. Because one thing that I hated about flats was the blisters I get from it, but this is super soft and gives a little cushion to my heels. The insoles are also removable, as you can see, and for the soles, you can see there's like additional padding. It's pretty thick for the insoles. These insoles should provide arch support because of the paddings and where it's placed. The shoes is also equipped with anti-slip rubber soles that offers traction, so it's not as slippery when you walk, which is perfect. What I also like about the shoes is that it has an adjustable strap. This strap gives the Mary Jane a pop of character. The strap is easily adjustable to fit your feet size and can easily tighten and loosen based on what you need. Each Mary Jane is made from 6 recycled plastic bottles. Although they are crafted from recycled plastic bottles, it looks so high quality and it's also flexible. Since I can bend it, it can easily fit into my bag if I need to carry it around. And if my Mary Jane ever gets dirty, which could probably happen because it is shoes, this is machine washable. These will definitely be my go-to shoes for work because I could easily style these up and down. This is how it looks like when I'm trying these shoes on from the side angles, the front, and also from the top angle. Vivaia has a physical store located in the heart of Soho, New York City. A perfect stop for anyone exploring the city to physically be able to try on the shoes. The store offers an amazing opportunity to see and try on the shoes in person, which is ideal for finding the perfect style and fit. There were so many adorable options to choose from everything from cute flats to stylish boots. The store assistants were so helpful to help me understand what size I am in each of the shoes I was trying on, and also help me find the perfect fit. Highly recommend if you are around the area to visit and try them on yourself. They are open every day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Mondays to Fridays, and 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Saturday to Sundays. Moving onwards to the next box. These shoes are called Anna. These are pointed toes, mid heels. And this is in the color Nutmeg. And while I was in the store, I was also able to try on the multicolor one with white and black. Honestly, this colorway was so cute. I regret not getting it in this color, but that means I just need to buy another one. The heel is 2.5 inches, which is the perfect height for me since I'm usually not walking around in heels on a daily basis. This is the perfect shoes for me to wear to work, especially if I have an important conference or meeting to attend. And if I need to run around the office all day, these shoes are perfect because the heels are not that tall. And what's amazing about these heels are also the heel padding and the pressure relief padding. If you can see, the unique diamond-shaped padding is used to help with the pressure relief. And similar to the Mary Jane, as you see here, the edge of the heels also has cushion. Although Vivaia shoes are made of recycled plastic bottles, the shoes are still soft and stretchy. What do you think of these shoes? Would you get one for yourself as well? If you are interested, I left a discount code in my description below for 12% off. And if you are interested in the 2 shoes I unboxed in this video, I left the links below. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!